Alright, I'm down here on the first floor of the Hyatt Regency off I Drive in Orlando. And here, Tower 2, yeah. And here we have ThyssenKrupp elevators to ride. I believe these are Momentums. This bank here is the low-rise bank. Wonder which one will be. We got this elevator.
Going up? This one?
This is one, yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night. Alright, up to 22. Here we go, hopefully for a non-stop flight.
Yep.
This place is a 13th floor. Here about 22.
Back to one.
Yeah, go to 1. Oh, there a cat view. Very nice elevators. There's well right there.
Happy.
Got beers. Who do you see? Hi.
No buzzer on this one.
Yeah. These are your traditional buttons. Newer traditional. Certificates. Floor indicator. You got 2 panels. Might as well watch for this panel. So I'm standing right here. There's our friend for security too. You're at 1. Button goes out. Passing start 100, by the way.
Yeah, switch here.
Yeah, we'll switch to the high rise. Watch the elevator close. And now, onto the high rise bank. Only 3 in this bank. This goes up.
Really bad design.
Yeah, this only goes up from like what, 22 to 31.
That one might not be working.
Yep, it just went up.
Ah, great.
That went all the way to 31.
And these two are both on 3.
We might not get a non-stop flight. Oh,
Here we
here's
go.
this elevator.
It almost certainly won't be the non-stop.
Let's see. Same cat as the low rise. Alright, go to 31. Let's see if we get a non-stop flight. Alright. Hope we get past the lobby. Look at that, we did. Nice.
Gosh be gosh.
I say he's got like 700 feet per minute, but I'm not 1% sure.
So jumpy.
Here's popping.
31st floor.
Here about 31.
Going lobby.
Let's go to 1. We'll go up one more time and get a view from the 31st floor then.
I hate how these are not lined up. This one's way lower than that one.
Yeah.
That's gonna
Alright, here's your cab view of this elevator. Same as the low rise. There's Will.
Howdy, howdy.
Very nice though. We're stopping. These are your traditional buttons, certificates, floor indicator. We're stopping on 22.
Going down.
Door close doesn't work. 3,500 pound capacity. And here we go down to 1.
If they're going down from
There's a friend with security.
if they're going down from 22, they can just transfer to the other bank.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
If you're at 1,
First floor.
go back to 31 and get a view. Like I said, door close does not work on these elevators, unfortunately. Alright, here we go back up.
oh, this panel's a little open.
Wow, non-stop flights.
That's crazy. Except for 22 for some reason.
Yeah. down so you can come up to the higher floors.
Yeah.
And here we're up at 31.
31st floor.
Key card reader as well. Alright. Once the elevator close up, we'll get a view. There goes the elevator. And here's your view from the 31st floor.
Your view of the biggest convention center in the world, or second biggest, behind you.
Sorry, it's hard to see because it's nighttime outside.
SeaWorld's back out that way. Epic Universe is a little bit to the left. You might not be able to see it from here.
Yeah, I'm getting a glare on my camera, so I won't be able to see much since it's nighttime.
I'll call another elevator.
Got the Rosen Center there, Hyatt Regency, the other tower, whatever that is there. Sorry the views are so great since it's nighttime. So now we're going to go back down the elevator. Like I said, I believe these are Momentums, because these are high-rise ThyssenKrupps.
There are not enough elevators to the top here.
Yep. Here's your view of the guest floor. I think the left car is broken. And we're going to go down to the right car.
Going down.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Alright, down to 1. One and down there. Look at my caddy of this car once we're in the express zone. This one has the buzz. And here's the view of the cab, just like the other one. There's Will.
Howdy.
Very nice elevator, especially for a Hyatt Regency.
Yes.
Please see the mirror. Hi.
Used to be the Peabody Hotel. I don't know if this tower was ever
Certificates. Your traditional buttons, key card reader, and here we're back at 1. There's our friend security.
First floor.
I guess we'll end it down here. And there it goes. And that's it.